check this out. They're going to be having a big old storm that's going to be coming through and out Americans. And you know what that is? Y'all really going to be thinking it's a storm, a tornado, and all that other shit. But this time, it's going to get worse. And guess what that is? A nuclear bomb. A nuclear bomb that's going to literally take all our power out. A nuclear bomb that's going to hit everybody. You know what I'm saying? It's going to, hurt everybody. Everybody going to get killed. All that other shit. It's a lot that's going on in American.